Guys, first I want you to see the old mirror. Then I want you to see the new mirror that we upgraded to. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, Vern, jack of all trades, master of none. And this was the old mirror that I wanted to get rid of, wanted to upgrade it. See how bad the condition. And we're going to switch this new one, which comes from Home Depot. See if I could leave the link for this product in the description. But we are not paid by Home Depot for this video. So this is what it looks like on the wall when it's done. Alright, let me show you how it's done. You can do it. Guys, the issue I think I'm going to have here with this switch of mirrors, because I thought this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, but I think because the hook that's hanging here is for, let me show you, it's for a mirror with strings that has a string in the back, if you can see here, and this other mirror. So the new model is asking for like just a nail or a screw, something that's just going to go up inside of here. See, it has a point, catch point. But let me try to hook it on there and see. I think I'm going to have to. Yeah, it's not going to work. We'll have to go ahead and hang this, fully hang it. I'll show you how to do it. So for this project, I'm going to use this thing here called Wall Driller Plus. Okay, Wall Driller Plus by Cobra, and you do your own due diligence. You look into some of these products that are made today. They talk about different warnings and exposure. This one, I think, again, you do your own diligence. This talks about exposure to nickel and some other chemicals. You know what? I'm going to leave all that up to you. Okay, I'm not recommending any products or anything. I'm just showing you what I use. You do what you want to do. I'm not getting paid. They're not promoting this. So don't forget to subscribe and like and leave your comments there. So looks like this drill bit that comes with it is specifically made to screw it into the wall. So I'm going to put this on my drill once I get the position where we want it. And we'll drill the hole into the sheetrock with this, and then we can put the screw in. All right, so let's go. Looks simple. Find your hole, find your position, screw it in with this, and then go ahead with the screw and put your screw into this, and then hang your mirror. Okay, so I'm going to position the mirror around about the height that it needs to go. That's going to be somewhere around here. Okay, then I'm going to try and hold that positioning with my finger somewhere. Okay, so I want to be somewhere up here. I'll make a little mark. Okay, so now I know where we want to be. I want to center the mirror to the positioning of the sink from corner to corner. So I'm going to measure corner to corner on the sink. I'm going to find the center, and then I'm going to go straight up from the center, and that's going to be where we're going to make our hole. So hold on a second. All right, here we go. So from corner to corner, we have 36 and a half. So half of that is 18 and a quarter. 18 and a quarter is our center. Let me make a center mark. 18 and a quarter is going to be about right here. Now, I'm going to take that mark. I'm going to take a level, and I'm going to go straight up. Looks like that's going to be right about there, if you can see that. Here's my line. And here, it's going to be behind the mirror, so it's fine. I'm going to continue that line straight up, make sure it's level. Level. Right here, and I want to be about right here. It's my line here, and then my cross section is here, and that's where my hole is going to be. So let's get to that. Okay guys, so with the special drill, with the special bit, we drill that right in the wall. Sorry you missed it, I think the video was off. And it's flat with the wall. We're going to leave it there, and then I'll put this screw right into the hole that we made there, and then the back part of this thing should open up and secure it. But let me see. Give me 1 second. Yeah, can you see me here? We're going to start to screw it in. Okay, now so I'm going to go and hang this puppy up. Just feel my way. Okay, make sure that I got to make sure that I got this thing in the sleeve.
Guys, if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps out with the algorithm so I can continue to make these videos for you. Thank you.
Once again, I can't see what's going on back there. Well, I'll have to trust that that's it. There we go. Mirrors in place. Thanks for watching the video.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video if you learned anything. And please, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See you on the next one.